All right, I'm in my office, and this is going to be really experimental. So I am planning to build and don't worry, this email goes nowhere. I tried to email somebody about something, but this is what I'm trying to do. I am trying to build a ground plane, ground plane antenna. Now, I have one which I built. You'll see it right there. It works. It's interesting. It's a different type of configuration. I'm going to be trying to use, let me back out here. I'm going to be trying to use these. Now, the other one was built with antennas, but this had a part that like bent and twisted. This is like one solid piece. This would basically just build dipole antennas, but I have an idea. What I'm going to be using is this, and what I think I'm going to be doing for this is using some screws and putting them in this way and doing it with the screws in on the bottom hole, and then putting, that with that. We'll see how that goes. But I'm really trying to figure out how this is going to work. I don't have the equipment to test the frequency range. But this one I'm going to do so I can adjust based on, there's a website out there where it tells you what to adjust the antenna lengths to be able to get certain frequencies. So let's see how this is going to go. All right, so this is the first piece I've done. I am not a great solderer. I'm just actually, in truth, learning. But this will not move. I have it soldered in place, and we'll see if this works. This is just an idea. I did it really kind of this way so I could remove it if I needed to, but I don't have the equipment to take it, and I'm hoping that what happens is, because this is attached to this, and if I go this way, I will have a center pole that is going to be able to go up and down and adjust with the height that is needed. All right, so this is our progress so far. Have it attached. I know I'm probably going to have to adjust these, but I also have thought of a few other things, so stay tuned. All right, here it is all together. You can see how I've done this. I plan to get a wire that'll connect this to this, but next time you'll see this is when I test it. So this is what I was talking about. There is this calculator. So this would be your 2-meter class right here, and the velocity factor, you put it in inches, calculate, that tells you. So the max I need for the radials is almost 22 inches. The center, it's almost 19.5 inches. And this changes, like if you go with the 1.25 class, which I have a radio that does that. You see it changes the length. Go up. I know this is military frequency. You see where it keeps shrinking down, and eventually when you get to 70 centimeters, even further down. So I can do that. You'll see the center says 6.5, or a little over 6.25. And that's really what this is just about 6.25. So if I put that out there and took these out just a little bit, I should easily get into 70 centimeter. And then extend them pretty much all the way out. These extend to 22 inches. I should be able to get into the 2 meters. So this is going to be a fun little experiment. I'm not ready to launch it yet. I still have to locate a couple of things. I'm using some scrap pieces around the homestead here, like this. I've got this for another project later today, but we'll see. All right, 73s.